How to download sound drivers for your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. First, you want to right click on the Start button and open up the Device Manager. And from here, you want to expand the audio inputs and outputs, and then right click on your audio device. So for example, speakers, Realtek audio. You can also find it under sound, video, and game controllers if you can't find it here, which is this one. Then you want to right click on it, click on update drivers, and then search automatically. And if it says that the best drivers are already installed, you want to go back and select the second option and then click on let me pick. Now select Realtek high definition audio. Click on next and wait for it to install the driver. And once it's completed, you can restart your computer and check if that solves the sound device issue or the sound driver issue. And if you're still having an issue, the second way to do it is to open up your browser and then you want to search for your laptop or computer manufacturer, or if you know the model of your audio card or audio device, you can also search for that model followed by drivers, but usually searching for your computer brand. So for example, Asus, and then drivers, and then click on the download center. This should guide you by finding your exact model, and then you can simply select your operating system. So for example, Windows 10 or Windows 11 once you find your computer model. And this should provide you with all the available drivers, including the audio drivers. So for example, the Realtek right here, which you can download and install. This will usually include the latest available version of the driver, and you can get it always from here for free and install it on your system. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.